Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to make green peas masala curry. Tastes perfect with rasam. In a cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil, mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Add few curry leaves. Fry them. Add 1 small cup of onions. Saute them. Don't over fry them. You don't need to fry until it is golden brown. Just add 1 large cup of green peas. Let's know the benefits of green peas. Peas contain the carotenoids which protects your eyes. It lowers the risk of inflammatory conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Peas are loaded with fiber and protein. Now just slightly saute them. Again, you don't need to cook too much. Just for 2 minutes, that's sufficient. Now let's add the spices. Salt to taste. Chili powder as per your taste. The pinch of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. 1½ tablespoon of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Just mix them slightly. Add 1 small cup of water. Mix them up. Just close it with the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Let's make a secret ingredients which add good flavor to our recipe. 5 tablespoons of fried gram dal. Now grind it into a fine powder. Now take 3 tablespoons of the grinded powder into a bowl. Add some water. Mix them thoroughly so that it does not form any lumps. Now it is perfectly done. Now our peas are cooked well. Let's add the secret ingredients into this. Add the mixture into it. Switch off the flame and just stir it for 1 minute. The peas gravy becomes thick. Add little water if you think the gravy is too thick. But today I am going to serve it with rasam, so I prefer to have a thick peas curry. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Tasty and delicious lunch is ready. Serve it with rasam and green peas. It's a perfect combination. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye bye.